this example, we are going to test a single stroke turntable with our PLC code. Here we have the PLC code open in Siemens TIA portal, and it's done by structured text. So let's have a look into the code. The first part, what it does, it waits for a trigger. So to take the table A to work position, when it gets a trigger, it moves the table A to work position. Similarly, this waits for a trigger to move the table B to work position, and when it gets a trigger, it sends an output signal to move the table to B work position. This part of the code checks if the table reaches its target within time. If it doesn't, then there is something wrong, and then it generates an error signal. And if we have an error and the operator goes and solves the situation, then he can press the error reset trigger from HMI, and then it will reset the error situation. So we will run this code here. We can see what's going on, and then we have the instant data block. So here is the variables from the cylinder, and how it should work. When we trigger this one, move table A to work position, this needs to move the table A towards the work position. So let's have a look in the simulation component. Here we have the turntable component, and this is the work position in this side, which is this isometric view we have. So right now the table B is in work position. So what we can do is okay, let's quickly have a look into the Python behavior, which is actually emulating the behavior of a turntable. There is a Python code, and if you want to look more or do your own modifications with your turntable, you can change the code here and it will behave as you wish it to do. Alright, let's go back to connectivity tab, and we are connected with the CAP server. It's gray, or all the green, so that means we are well connected. And then we go to this one. Our net to PLC sim is running. Siemens PLC sim is running. They are connected. If you want to check, you can check start monitoring. So we are connected. Well, okay. So I will trigger this one. Move table A to work position. After I trigger, I need to quickly back to the simulation to see what's happening here. So yes, then we go back. So you can see table A is moved to work position. Go back to here. Because it's a trigger, we need to turn it off manually. Table B to work position. Now table B is coming to work position. Okay, and we toggle it back. Error cycle time is 4 seconds in this case. Let's see if I put it 1 second, and the table couldn't reach its target within 1 second, it will generate an error signal. So right now the table B in was position, so we need to trigger table A to work position. We will trigger this, as you can see, and we can see that the table is in work position. So turntable error, as you can see here, we got an error signal and the error is true. So what we can do, for example, now the operator goes and solves the situation and the table is moving freely again. So error reset, move table B. First we need to turn this off. To make this example work easily, you can develop your own HMI and hook this variables with the tap button in your HMI, so you can test your stuff more faster. Error reset. Yeah. Now the error is reset, and let's go and check. You can see that the turntable error is false again. Okay, so thanks for watching the example.